And Matt, we know exactly what you're going to do, you know exactly what you're going to try and do. You want to stick the ball through the O of the 150, it's sudden death. So missing you out, we go all the way through to round one winner. Wembley, are you going to be behind these guys? I have to tell you, Adam is a postman who supports Birmingham City. Are you really that he's a postman? Come on, Adam, go for it. Let's see if you can get it through. So next up is Scott McMinn.
Who?
Scott, a nice slow walk, taking his time. A Forest fan. As I said, a Forest fan. Now we have Matt Saunders, hands in pockets, a Manchester Northampton fan, and he's a student. Right, they get 3 goes each, but it's sudden death. So 2 of them get it, and the other 2 miss. We're going to have a winner. So into the second round. Adam Lepunsky is back. Straight into Scott. I bet you think this is easy. If you think it is, follow Vauxhall on Twitter at Vauxhall England. You might get a chance. So Matt, if you get this, you can make a name for yourself. Signed by the entire team. Scott McMinn works for the NHS. Oh! So now it's the student Wembley. So let's hear it for those Vauxhall England, you can too. Another initiative the FA and Vauxhall are very proud of. Tackling the football dropout in the 14 to 17-year-old age group. It's something called the FA Vauxhall Football Mashup. We have 4 young men who took part in the Vauxhall Mashup. They are Jordan Nathan, Harry Richards, Ben Hinchard, and Liam Howard. So 4 of them are just going to have 1 beautiful goal for prizes to take part. So let's quickly get behind all 4 of them. First up, Jordan. So it looks incredibly easy from out there in the stands. Harry, hopefully you can show us, Harry Richards, what you can do. Next up, Ben Hinchard. So just remember these 4 lads are part of the Football Mashup. You can follow them on Football Mashup on Facebook. Liam Howard, you can be the only man tonight. So make a name for yourself. So that was the football matchup. If you want to follow the national team sponsor Vauxhall England on Twitter. But now let's have a look at the highlights from the first half.